Imagine freshly cooked white rice. You sprinkle soft, feathery katsuobushi on top. Add a small splash of soy sauce if you like. And that warm, savory aroma rises up. You take one bite, then another, and before you know it, your chopsticks are searching for more. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bonito from Kobayashi Foods. Today, we dive into the secret of Katsubushi's umami, the golden balance of inosinic acid and fat. What exactly makes Katsuobushi so delicious? Surprisingly, its deep umami flavor comes from just two key elements: inosinic acid and fat. Many people immediately think Katsuobushi is inosinic acid. Inosinic acid is the key umami component in Katsuobushi, a naturally occurring amino acid found in fish that gives Dashi its deep, savory flavor. It's what makes its soup feel comforting and satisfying even before you know why. But craftsmen have known for generations that what is what adds depth, roundness, and that unforgettable lingering taste. The harmony between inosinic acid and fat, perfected over centuries of craftsmanship, is what creates that aromatic, comforting flavor we love. 1. Inosinic acid, the star of umami. There are three major natural umami components found in foods: glutamic acid, found in vegetables and seaweed; guanilic acid, found in mushrooms; inosinic acid, found in fish and meat. Inosinic acid is the key umami component in Katsuobushi, a naturally occurring amino acid found in fish that gives Dashi its deep, savory flavor. It's what makes its soup feel comforting and satisfying even before you know why. This component was first identified in Katsuobushi by scientist Shintaro Kodama in 1913, which helped the world understand the science of umami. When paired with glutamic acid from kombu, the umami multiplied dramatically. This is why kombu plus katsuobushi dashi has long been considered the golden ratio of Japanese cuisine. 2. Fat, the hidden umami only craftsmen truly understand. The second secret ingredient is one many people overlook: fat. Modern food science recognizes fat taste as the sixth taste, alongside sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. Fat adds richness, smoothness, and helps aromas being beautifully. But here's the important part: too much fat is not good, and too little is also not good. The best flavor lives in the perfect middle. If fat is too low, the smoky aroma becomes sharp, and the bonito flavor feels thin. If fat is too high, the mouthfeel becomes heavy, and the aftertaste loses clarity. Craftsmen have learned through experience that bonito with just the right amount of fat produces the ideal umami. Arabushi, dairy processed bonito about 3 to 10% fat. Karibushi, fermented and fully aged about 3 to 5% fat after natural mode breaks down excess fat. This is where the golden balance truly emerges. 3. Beauty shows in its shape. The artisan's eye. In the past, whole bonito pieces were often given as gifts. The back portion was called obushi, male cut, and the belly portion mebushi, female cut. Together, they symbolize harmony and long-lasting happiness. But here is the interesting part. The appearance of the bonito black also reveals its fat content. Too little fat, the fish looks thin and dry. Too much fat, the body becomes too round and meat breaks during processing. Craftsmen judge each fish by hand and eye, asking themselves, how much fat does this bonito hold, and how will it taste months from now? A beautiful shape reflects years of intuition, experience, and craftsmanship. 4. The harmony of inosinic acid and fat at meets science. Katsuobushi is one of those rare foods whose deliciousness can be explained both scientifically and emotionally. If inosinic acid brings a sharp, clear umami, fat adds a depth, warmth, and lingering finish. Like melody and harmony in music, the two together create a complete flavor chord. Fat also helps absorb the smoky aroma from the drying process, which is why katsuobushi releases that beautiful fragrance the moment it touches hot rice or hot water. In the end, katsuobushi is a multi-sensory experience. Aroma, flavor, mouthfeel, and aftertaste are woven together. 5. The final takeaway: the golden balance protected by generations. The irresistible flavor of katsuobushi comes from the perfect harmony of inosinic acid, bright umami, fat, rich depth, and lingering aroma. And it is the craftsmen over many generations who have protected this balance with their hands, eyes, and intuition. They adjusted the drying, the smoking, the mold aging, and even the time of each step to create the ideal flavor. So the next time you sprinkle katsuobushi on rice or enjoy a bottle of dashi, take a moment and think. This flavor comes from the golden balance of inosinic acid and fat, perfected over centuries. It just might make your everyday katsuobushi feel a little more special. Have a flavorful day.